Hey everybody, it's Jeff from Yawk, and today I am back in Las Vegas on the Las Vegas Strip, kind of center strip. We're going to check out Harrah's Hotel and Casino today. Some of you may be thinking, I want to check out that Whitney Houston hologram show that's on that sign that we just saw, and I'm here to tell you it's gone. It's been gone for about a week now, and there's no plans on it coming back. Poof, gone, like she was never there. Well, now that I think of it, technically she was never there. The Donny Osmond show is still here, and from what I understand, it's doing very well. I really wanted to see the Donny and Marie show over at the Flamingo, and that's gone forever now, and I have a feeling those two are never going to get back together. I really don't have that much interest in seeing Donny by himself, so lesson to learn here is if you really want to do something and you can afford it, just do it. Don't put it off, because it'll be gone before you know it. We're passing Pizza Cake by Cake Boss star Buddy Valastro, and I have to say I've had the pizza here. It's pretty good, not the best on the strip, but it's pretty good. But from what I understand, the cake, not so much. You can also buy it from a vending machine for like $9, but I haven't tried the cake, but from what I heard, not that great. But the pizza, again, not that bad. By the way, an ingenious name, Pizza Cake. Get it? Pizza Cake. Who thought of that? That was ingenious. Anyway, let's go inside, cool off a little bit, and see what's going on, shall we? This is the Oyster Bar and Grill here at Harrah's, and guess what? That's right, that just closed recently as well. Lots of stuff closing here at Harrah's, but the good news is, lots of new stuff opening.
This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video.
And here we have the pool at Harrah's, and guess what? That's right, that's closed too. However, I think that's just temporary for a maintenance issue. And shout out to Deborah Camacho. She's gotten quite a few in a row right now, and she's getting her shout out for finding Clarice the Miss America crown in my last Atlantic City video, Brunch at Harper's at the Ocean Casino and Resort. Congratulations, Deborah. Keep up the good work, you might break a record. This is the Fulton Street Food Hall, all your favorite foods under one roof with a marketplace full of fresh selections made by chefs throughout the day. What could be more fun than creating your own salad, building your own pizza, and more? Some of your choices here are the Fulton Cafe, Sandwich Soup and Salad Bar, a coffee station, Pizza Bar, Sushi and Noodle Bar, a regular good old bar, and Bobby's Burgers by Bobby Flay, a new place, and again, they are adding new places with all these other places closing. Hey, if you're digging this video, why not give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the New York channel, and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when new posts hit the channel. So a little bit about Harrah's here on the Las Vegas Strip. It's owned by VC Properties and operated by Caesars Entertainment. The property originally opened as a joint venture with Holiday Inn, and construction began on April 1970. The hotel portion opened in 1972, and the casino opened in 1973. The casino originally featured a riverboat facade, which was enlarged in 1990 as part of a $100 million renovation and expansion project. The riverboat theme was removed in a subsequent $200 million project, which concluded in 1997, adding a carnival and Mardi Gras theme instead. The hotel includes 2,542 rooms located across 3 buildings: the original 14-story tower, a 23-story tower completed in 1982, and a 35-story tower added in 1990. A 35-story addition was made to the 3rd tower during the 1997 expansion. And in addition to a showroom, the property also has an outdoor bar and entertainment area known as Carnival Court. A 2006 investigation revealed that hotel renovations had taken place without permitting. In October 2007, Harrah's Entertainment closed approximately 600 rooms at Harrah's Las Vegas, allowing for investigative work and possible remediation. Various fire safety hazards were uncovered, including some floors which lacked caulking, a material used to prevent smoke from spreading. The hotel reopened 501 rooms a month later, while another 166 continued to be brought up to code. This couple here is known as the Greenbacks, and I had mentioned almost a year ago that Harrah's was going to remove this statue. I'm glad they didn't. It's still here, and I hope it stays here for a long time. It's a great statue, great photo opportunity. Hey, let's go upstairs and check out the showroom area. Hold on tight. With over 5,000 performances, Menopause is now the longest running musical in Las Vegas. Here's some Donny Osmond merch, as well as outfits worn by Whitney Houston, the actual person, not the hologram. And speaking of merch, don't forget to check out the New York store. There's a link in the description below. Lots of cool swag that you can wear, make yourself look really cool. Take a picture of yourself wearing something from the New York store. I'll post it in the community room here on the New York channel. This is the piano bar here at Harrahs Hotel and Casino in Las Vegas, and it offers a full slate of live shows including Big Elvis, a legend around these parts, dueling pianos, and DJ Rusty's All-Star Las Vegas Karaoke. Right now the joint's empty, but this place gets packed when it opens in the afternoon, and it's a pretty rowdy but friendly crowd. A new feature on the New York channel is the Super Thanks button, which is close to that thumbs up button that I know you've already clicked on. Clicking on that Super Thanks button not only shows your support for the New York channel, but really helps the channel grow. And doing so will let you leave a colorful comment pinned above all other comments here on this video.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.